and share your different online recipes, or this one you can record your videos from at home, in store, or in a virtual reality, and you will get paid for it. So a lot of people have been doing this just to make ends meet, but it's really well time spent, and you can get, as much money as you can. So you can turn your time spent shopping into earning additional dollars. You can do it on the Apple Store, on the Play Store. And so basically, it's in 32 countries. Um, it's been downloaded over 1 million times, and you can earn money while you shop. So what is ProductTube? ProductTube is a premium video survey app that rewards its users for making short videos about everyday products. Users record short videos, typically less than 5 minutes, using their mobile phone. These videos are then used for market research purposes to guide product manufacturers to meet consumer needs better. So get ready to earn. Again, you can go into the Google Play Store. Quick install to your device. And these are just a little bit of features. You can sign up to receive your first project. You can see this person made $300 by doing different activities. It's really straightforward. Just set up your profile. Put as much information as you can about yourself into it. That way, so you get selected for different projects. But it's really straightforward. It's really not that complicated. It's a really good app that I have used, and I haven't gotten paid from it. You probably won't get rich off of it, but you can make a good, honest living from it if you work really hard on it. Then I have another one called Amazon Shopper Panel. And so basically, you are getting paid to review different products, different Amazon products. So join the Amazon Shopper Panel to earn monthly rewards, $15 to $75 per month. So you're helping brands offer better products and make Amazon ads more relevant. So it's just, and then they give you a little bit more information about that. So the Amazon Shopper Panel is an opt-in, invitation-only program where participants can earn monthly rewards by sharing receipts from purchases made outside of Amazon.com, completing short surveys, and enabling and ad verification for ads that they see from Amazon's own advertising or third-party businesses that advertise through Amazon ads. Earning ads is easy. Simply upload eligible receipts every month by using the Amazon Shopper Panel app to take pictures of paper towel receipts, or by forwarding email receipts to receipts@panel.amazon.com, and you'll earn $10 towards either an Amazon balance or a charitable donation. Your participation will always help brands better make products and make Amazon ads more relevant. So you can do that if you want to, but then I got another opportunity called Mobi. It's a secret mystery shopping app. So basically, like I said in my last video, there are mystery shoppings, and they also have mystery shopping apps too, where you go to different, restaurants or stores, and you review 3 million panel members and then 1,800 new members per day. So that's a lot of people that's coming in per day. So if you want to join them, let's see. So you can register with Facebook, Apple, or Google by putting in your first name, your last name, email address, password, the country you're with, check off these agreements, and your date of birth. And then once you're done with all that, click to register. So it's really straightforward. It's not nothing much to it. You guys already know my email, so it's not going to be nothing too personal. So Monday Moneymakers 271 at gmail.com. I'm actually going to register with them and kind of see what they're about. See if they covering up my password so you guys don't see that. And then country, United States. What is in the United States here? There we go. And obviously, all right, and then I'm gonna click accept these terms. Oh, I gotta pick that I'm a gender here. I don't know why. So then once you get all of that, then you can register. And then check your registration. And I'm gonna do that later just for the purposes. Once I get offline here, I'll do that later. But it's really simple. It's really not hard. They're probably going to be sending you a lot of emails for different projects that they might want you to do if you qualify for it. They might want you to fill out your profile even more once you activate your registration. And then you'll be getting surveys sent to you after you complete your profile and all that stuff. But I'm not going to hold you guys any much longer. I just want to say, if I don't talk to you guys, in this, in the comment section before Christmas, happy Christmas and Kwanzaa or Hanukkah, whatever you're celebrating. But that will be it. Let me know if you like this video by commenting, saying that you never heard of Market Agent before, so I know that I'm bringing new content for you. But other than that, take care, money makers, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.